CHUWI Lapbook Pro built-in with Intel Gemini Lake quad-core 14nm processor. Fast performance and responsive speed. Designed 19% screen-to-body ratio creates a nearly borderless display. 14.1-inch IPS full laminated display, Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution displays lights in all its colors, as dark and as bright as real world color. And this is why I truly fell in love with it. But wait, how did I get here? And one of these routine days I was sitting at my desk in the office just doing my job, bored as hell, and one of my colleagues sent me a link. I click it and it was so... I said, damn, this lapbook so cool. In a second, a product manager messaged me, and throughout our conversation she offered me a lapbook for this video. Crazy, right? But I had never done anything like that, so I cleaned my desk and wait for the magic. I was so nervous, I really thought that it must be a prank or a joke, but the beautiful lapbook was waiting for me right in the box. I turned on the lapbook and then he said,
click that file.
Super light, full laminated screen. The overall size is reduced by 13% compared to the traditional notebook. Super thin, 58mm, weighing only 1430 gram. Intel UHD Graphics 600 GPU, DDR4, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of SSD storage. M.2 SSD support for the extension your internal storage. Keyboard with illuminated backlight for visibility in a low light environment. And 4900 mAh high density lithium-polymer battery that can last for 8 hours.